Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet these super easy angels. They're quite quick to make. We only make the body, which is a circle, and half a circle for the wings. So you're going to need something to cut your yarn with, gold, either a Sharpie or a pen, just to do the on the head, forgot what it's called, 4mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, a 15mm bead. Obviously if you're making a small one, use a smaller hook and a smaller bead. A 12mm would be good, and any form of glue so we can glue the wings to the body. With these I used hot glue, and I'm going to try using fabric glue. We're going to need double knitting yarn. I'm using white and beige. You can use whatever colour you want. And just an FYI, I use US terms for my crochet. So we're going to start with a magic ring. And then we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to place 8 double crochets into the magic ring. When you've finished your 8th double crochet, pull in the tail to close the ring. And we're going to chain 2 and turn your work. And then we're going to place 2 double crochets in each stitch around. And we're going to end up with a total of 16 double crochets. When you finish this round, chain 2, turn your work again. We're going to do the last round. We're going to place 2 double crochets into the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the next. So it's one more round of increase. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next. You're going to end up with 24 double crochets in this round. When you've finished your round, pull your tail through and cut it off. And we don't need the white anymore. We're going to sew in the tails. You can decide which way you want the back to be. We're just going to get the tail hidden in there. This one and then this one real quick. There's our wings done. Now we're going to move to the body. So take whatever colour you choose. We're going to start again with a magic ring. And then same as the wings, we're going to start with a double crochet, with a chain 2, sorry, and then 12 double crochets into this magic ring. When you finished your round, pull on the tail to close the ring, and then slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet of the round. Then we're going to chain 2. And we're going to place 2 double crochets in each stitch around for a total of 24 double crochets. When you finished your round, slip stitch again to the top of the first double crochet of the round. And then round 3, we're going to start with chain 2 and then 2 double crochets into the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat this all the way around and you will end up with 36 double crochets in round 3. When you finished your round, slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet of the round, and then we're going to pull the yarn through, but we're going to leave ourselves a tail because that's going to be the hanging tail. So more or less measure, sorry, the forklift, more or less measure where you want the hanging loop to be, and then leave yourself a little tail here, and then secure it like this. Let's just quickly sew this end in. I like to sometimes, depending on the project, I like to bend the fuzz of this. You can use a mixture of white glue and water, 50-50, to stiffen them up a bit, but you don't have to. So let's glue them. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. It's a bit too long. A little bit of glue here. Just remember to leave it to dry. And then I'm going to fold them in like this. You can put a book on it or something to keep it from opening, like so. And then we're going to glue the back. So we're going to start with the top first. And then the bottom, just look where it ends. I've got a drill battery, I'll stick that on there. In the meantime, you're going to take your gold, whatever it is you're using, this one's running out, and you're just going to do the halo on the head. Take your angel, she's not dry yet, and then put your bead on, and then dab a bit of glue on the top. It will dry clear, the glue, and then just leave it to dry completely, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed making this, and it was quick and easy. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.